Connor Duffy, 10.
So Carson goes for white, Shota also goes for white. Shota's struggling in F2L, Carson's just speeding through it. Goes to Olo, but Shota gets a 549!
10 seconds.
MGC Void.
하시면